Supply of the heart. Heart is supplied by the coronary arteries, which rises from the base of the aorta, right coronary artery and left coronary artery. Both of these arises from the sinuses present at the base of the aorta, just above the aortic valves. The right coronary artery is of greater caliber than the left coronary artery. Left coronary artery further divides into the circumflex branch of the left coronary artery and anterior interventricular branch of the left coronary artery, LAD, most commonly known as left anterior descending artery, and it is most commonly discussed coronary artery as it is mainly involved in the coronary artery diseases. The left coronary artery also, the LAD also gives a branch called diagonal branch of the anterior interventricular artery. The circumflex branch of the left coronary artery further give branches. It is one of them is left obtuse marginal artery. Posteriorly, left coronary artery continues as the circumflex branch of the left coronary artery, and it further gives rise to the posterior left ventricular branch of the left coronary artery. Right coronary artery, it originates from the base of the aorta through the sinuses, and it gives rise to a branch called atrial branch of the right coronary artery, which supplies the atria, and it moves further and also gives a branch to the SA node through the SA nodal branch. Further, right coronary artery continues posteriorly, and at this angle it gives acute marginal branch. It is called acute marginal branch of the right coronary artery. In the diaphragmatic surface, we can see right coronary artery continues posteriorly, and it ends as the posterior interventricular branch of the right coronary artery, and it gives rise to the interventricular or septal branches. In this picture, the arterial course of separate arteries is shown. In this case, right coronary artery, which arises from the base of the aorta through the sinus just above the aortic valve, and it gives rise to the atrial branch, which gives rise to the SA nodal branch. Then it continues posteriorly, and at this angle it gives rise to the acute marginal branch and continues posteriorly and gives rise to the posterior interventricular branch of descending artery. It also gives rise to the branch of the AV node. And for the left coronary artery, it divides into the anterior interventricular left anterior descending artery and circumflex branch. The left anterior descending branch further give rise to the diagonal branches of the anterior interventricular branch, and it also gives rise to the perforating interventricular septal branches. Circumflex branch continues posteriorly, and it gives rise to the left obtuse or marginal branch, and posteriorly it gives rise to the atrioventricular branch of the circumflex branch, atrioventricular branch.